Hola chicos, I hope you guys are having a good day in class. And hopefully Emily has been able to help you with any questions that you had on this since I'm not there. Okay, so I'm just gonna run through this pretty quickly. Your answers should mostly be in the yo form. And then I'll kind of point out a few things here and there. Okay, so number one, vivía in, because you always live in a place. Mi vecindario, sorry. Era, and then your adjective should be masculine and singular. Number two, mi casa era, and then whatever adjective you pick should be feminine and singular. Había, you should have a number of cuartos. Los cuartos eran, the rooms were, and then describe them with a masculine and plural adjective. Number three, parecía, or you could even use era. What did you look like? Yo era alta, yo era pequeña, yo era rubia, something like that. Okay, your adjective here should match your gender. Tenía, and then whatever pets you had. Mi mascotas se llamaban, and then whatever their names were. Mis mascotas are acting like fools right now, and they're really fun. Mi película favorita se llamaba, for me, I might say Beauty and the Beast. Y era mi favorita porque me encantaban las canciones. I loved the songs. Number six, jugaba con las muñecas Barbie. Okay, jugaba con something. Number seven, mi apodo era, mine was Annie Lammy. Mío era Annie Lammy porque yo tenía orejas muy grandes, como una oveja, like sheep. ¿Qué leías o qué te leían tus padres? So you could have yo leía, or mis padres me leían, and then whatever books you used to like to read. So like yo leía Black Beauty y Little Women. Miraba, and then number nine, miraba, and then whatever TV shows in la tele. Number 10, me gustaban los libros de, and then you would have whatever topic that you like to read about, or me gustaba leer, and then you could have the titles. Number 11, me gustaba, and then, so you would use gustaba if your food was singular, or gustaban if your food was plural, like me gustaban las papas fritas, but me gustaba la pizza. Or you could just avoid all that and say me gustaba comer. I like to eat whatever. Number 12, who were your best friends in elementary school? Mis mejores amigos or amigas eran, and then have their names. And then answer the question, did you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Number 13, ¿a qué escuela asistías? Asistía a, make sure you have your a because you always attend and then put a at the end. ¿Quién era tu profesor favorito? ¿Y por qué? So you'd start off mi profesor favorita or profesora favorita, make sure they match. Era señora Bonner para mí, porque ella era muy inteligente y muy amable because she was very smart and very friendly. ¿Qué querías aprender? Quería aprender de with a noun or a with an infinitive. So I wanted to learn about or this how to. Okay, yo quería aprender de Mexico. I want to learn about Mexico. Or quería aprender a hablar español. I wanted to learn to speak Spanish. Me gustaba estudiar, or you can have no me gustaba estudiar, and then you'd have your topic here. Anywhere I have the three little dots, that's where you're filling in your own answer. ¿Dónde dónde pasabas tus vacaciones? Pasaba mis vacaciones in wherever. ¿Qué tipo de música or cantantes escuchabas? What kind of music did you listen to? Escuchaba la música rock. Escuchaba la música pop. Escuchaba la música clásica. Whatever type of music. Or escuchaba a los Beatles. I used to listen to the Beatles a lot with my parents. ¿Qué actividades te gustaban? Me gustaba, and then put your infinitive. ¿A qué deportes o juegos jugabas? Jugaba a. ¿Qué tipo de ropa llevabas? Your subject, llevaba, or verb rather. ¿Qué animales te gustaban? Me gustaban, and then whatever animals you liked. Los lobos, wolves, las jirafas, giraffes, las ballenas, whales, los delfines, dolphins, los leones, los elefantes, los cebras. I bet Emily can help you with animal names, or you can look them up. ¿Te portabas bien o mal? Did you behave well or badly? Then you'd have your answer. Did you fight with other people or did you get along with other people? And then one of these would you be your answers. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Adios.